Now we are going to continue with the second property of matter, that is, the particles of matter are continuously moving. Here I have an incense stick. Now we have to see how close I have to go to smell or to feel the smell of the incense stick. At least this far. I have to come as near as this much to actually smell this incense stick. Now what I am going to do is burn this incense stick. Right? What do we observe now? Even a person sitting far away can smell the incense stick now. Yes or no? That is why when we are burning an incense stick in one corner of the room, even the person sitting in the next room can smell the incense stick. Why this is? Why does this happen? Because when we provide heat to the incense stick, the kinetic energy of the particle increases and they move randomly here and there. As I told you earlier, please note that all the particles of matter possess some amount of kinetic energy with them. The kinetic energy of the particle increases with the rise in the temperature. There is another experiment we are going to see for this. I have potassium permanganate and I am going to add a few crystals of potassium permanganate in hot water. This is hot water and this is cold water. We are going to see the difference, how they combine in hot water and how does it combine in cold water. Can you see the difference? See the speed of dispersing of the particles of potassium permanganate in a hot water. This is hot water. And see the speed of dispersion in case of cold water. That means, what does this show? That the kinetic energy of the particles in case of hot water is more. Why? It is because of the heat that was provided to the water. The heat energy provided is converted into the kinetic energy of the particles, and that is why the potassium permanganate disperses in hot water much faster as compared to cold water. There is another thing which I will tell you, that the smoke particles, they try to take the space of the room, the whole room, the space available to them. This movement of particles from a higher concentration to a lower concentration is called diffusion. Please remember, what is diffusion? Movement of particles from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration is called diffusion. And the diffusion will keep on happening, or this process will keep on happening until unless the particle occupy the complete space available to them. क्या कर रहे हैं?